look at me, touch me again. Includes an in-screen scanner. Also has a faster rear scanner and face recognition. The biggest talking point around the Mate RS, apart from its price, is its inclusion of an in-screen fingerprint scanner. This is the first commercially available product to ship with this new tech that we're expecting to see plenty of in the coming years. This is housed in a specific portion of the display, horizontally centered and an inch above the bottom of the screen. A fingerprint image pulses as a prompt to engage, and just like magic, when we do, the phone unlocks. Not content with just one fingerprint scanner though, Huawei has also included a rear fingerprint scanner, pairing both with face recognition. Practically speaking though, when we came to unlock the phone with our thumb on the in-screen scanner or with our forefinger using the rear scanner, face unlock beat us to the punch. Using the front 24MP camera, it proved zippy and accurate. Also zippy was the rear scanner, unlocking in a fraction of a second when we got the opportunity to use it. As for the in-screen scanner, you can expect a delay of roughly 1 second for unlocking. In terms of accuracy and reliability, all three performed very well. That said, once the novelty of the in-screen scanner wore off, we still found ourselves using it more often than the rear scanner, suggesting that the extra time taken to unlock isn't damaging to the user experience. The fact the phone has two fingerprint scanners both confounds and complements the unlocking experience. On the one hand, it's a faux pas to have two ways of doing the same thing. On the other, whether this phone is on a surface or in your hand, it can easily be unlocked without punching in a code or awkwardly hovering your face over the screen. There were times we had to use the rear scanner to verify our identity, when copying our Google account information to another device for example. As a result, if Android doesn't support in-screen scanners at an OS level, which looks like it may be the case, Huawei's decision to go with two makes sense. Let's see if this changes in Android P.